Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Welcome back to our third series. In today's lesson, we are going to learn an important technique called rationalizing the denominator. At first, this term may sound difficult, but don't worry. Once you understand the idea behind it, you will find that it's actually very straightforward. So let's get started. First of all, what does rationalizing the denominator mean? It simply means removing the surd from the denominator of a fraction. In mathematics, we prefer the denominator to be a rational number rather than a surd. Whenever a surd appears in the denominator, we rewrite that fraction so that the denominator becomes a whole number or a rational number. Let's see how this works. Example 1. Simplify 1 over under root 5. To remove the surd from the denominator, we multiply both the numerator and the denominator by under root 5. Remember, whenever you multiply a fraction, you must multiply both parts by the same value. This keeps the value of the fraction unchanged. So, 1 over under root 5 becomes, now simplify each part, the numerator becomes under root 5 and the denominator becomes 5 because under root 5 multiplied by under root 5 equals 5. Therefore, the final answer is under root 5 over 5. Simple, isn't it? Now let's try another example. Simplify 3 over under root 2. Again, the denominator contains a surd. To remove it, multiply both the numerator and the denominator by under root 2. Now the numerator becomes 3 under root 2 and the denominator becomes 2. Therefore, the simplified answer is 3 into under root 2 over 2. Let's solve one more example together. Simplify 5 over under root 7. As before, multiply both the numerator and the denominator by under root 7. We get 5 into under root 7 over under root 7 into under root 7. Now the numerator becomes 5 under root 7 and the denominator becomes 7. So our final answer is 5 into under root 7 over 7. Notice that the denominator no longer contains a surd. That means we have successfully rationalized the denominator. Now, before we finish, let's quickly review today's lesson. Whenever you see a surd in the denominator, multiply the numerator and the denominator by that same surd. This removes the surd from the denominator and gives you a rational denominator. It's a simple method, but it's one of the most important techniques you'll use when working with surds. Thank you for watching. If you found this lesson helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing for more O-level mathematics tutorials. In the next lesson, we'll learn how to rationalize a denominator that contains two terms, such as 2 plus under root 3. I'll see you in the next video.